Hello everyone, my name is Geeta Salunke. I am Assistant Professor in Department of ENTC Engineering at AISSMS Institute of Information Technology. Now I am going to explain step-up chopper of power electronics. This is the general block diagram of step-up chopper. Here thyristor is used as a switch at the place of chopper. Step-up chopper is used to obtain a load voltage higher than the input voltage V. It means output voltage is greater than the input voltage. The value of L and C is to be selected depending upon the requirement of output voltage and current. When the chopper is on, the inductor L is connected across the supply and the inductor current I rises and the inductor stores energy during the on time of the chopper, that is T on. When the chopper is off, the inductor current I is forced to flow through the diode D and load for a period of T off. The current tends to decrease, resulting in reversing the polarity of induced EMF in inductor. Therefore, the voltage across load is given by V out equal to V plus L di by dt. It is nothing but output voltage is greater than input voltage. A large capacitor C is connected across the load will provide a continuous output voltage. Diode D prevents any current flow from capacitor to the source. Step-up choppers are used for regenerative braking of DC motors. Now we'll see expression for output voltage. Assume the average inductor current to be I during on and off time of chopper. When chopper is on, voltage across inductor L is equal to V. Therefore, energy stored in inductor is given as V into I into T on, where T on is the on period of chopper. When chopper is off, voltage across L is given as V out minus V, and the energy supplied by inductor L is equal to V out minus V into I T off, where T off is the off period of chopper. Neglecting losses, energy stored in inductor L is equal to energy supplied by inductor L. So, V into I T on equal to V out minus V into I T off. So, V out equal to V into T on plus T off divided by T off. So, V out equal to V into T divided by T minus T on, where T is the chopping period of or period of switching. As T equal to T on plus T off, so V out equal to V into 1 divided by 1 minus T on divided by T. The T on divided by T is nothing but duty cycle D. So, V out equal to V into 1 divided by 1 minus D. D is nothing but duty cycle. For variations of duty cycle D in the range of 0 to 1, the output voltage V out will vary in the range V to infinity. It means the duty cycle varies between 0 to 1. The output voltage will vary between V to infinity. Now we'll see performance parameters. The switch requires a certain minimum time to turn on and turn off. The duty cycle D be varied only between a minimum and maximum value, limiting the minimum and maximum value of the output voltage. And the ripple in the load current depends inversely on the chopping frequency F. And to reduce the load ripple current, frequency should be as high as possible. This is about the step-up chopper. It means output voltage is greater than input voltage. Thank you.